stack application development. Let me show you. We are going to build one application like this, guys. Let me show you. We are going to develop one application like this. Ashok IT login page. Click on the login. Form is displaying. Click on sign in. You will go to the dashboard. Some data is coming here. Application registration. Create application. You will enter the data. You will select the data here and you will click on submit. Once it is submitted, this data is displaying. So here you are seeing some form here. You are seeing some form. You are seeing a text field. You are seeing a radio button. You are seeing the date picker. You are seeing the submit. This is called user interface. When you click on submit button, it is storing the data in the database. It is displaying the data which is saved already. For this, there is one REST API. You are doing the operation in the UI. From the UI, your request will go to backend API. Backend API will store the data into your database and it will retrieve the data from the database. Now, can I say this full stack application? Can I say it is a full stack application? User interface is available and backend API is also available. If you can develop user interface and backend APIs, then you are called as full stack developer. Are you guys able to follow this? In our course, we will learn Angular for front-end development. In our JRTP course. In our JRTP course, we will learn Angular. For front-end development. We will learn Angular for front-end development. We will learn the Angular. That means I am going to teach you Angular, guys. We will learn the Angular means I am going to teach you Angular basics, not complete Angular, because Angular completely will take 3 months. I'm going to teach you Angular whatever is required for our project. We will use Spring Boot microservices mandatory. We will use Spring Boot and microservices. For backend APIs development. Backend APIs I am going to develop by using Spring Boot and microservices. AWS for the infrastructure, servers, deployments and all. AWS, we lent AWS services for cloud platforms. To set up AWS services to set up infrastructure. We lent AWS services to set up infrastructure. We will lend tools. To manage code and deployments. So this is the agenda. In the real time also same thing will be available. Tomorrow when you go for the interview, they will ask, do you know what is full stack development? Can you work as a full stack developer for our project? Yes. Nowadays, full stack developers are having more demand. Okay. Now, front-end application will be available. This front-end can be developed by using Angular or React. Back-end applications we are developing by using Spring Boot and microservices. So, here already we have learnt some tools in the Java. How to do the coding, how to package the code, how to do the logging, how to do the log monitoring, how to do the Jira tasks and all we have learnt already. And we have learnt AWS. Already you people know Spring Boot microservices, or parallelly you people are attending my Spring Boot microservices course. Then we are going to learn Angular for front-end development. Okay? 1 week to 10 days I'm going to teach Angular, guys. 1 week to 10 days I'm going to teach Angular. Based on that, you can develop a front end like this. Once you learn front end Angular basics, then we will start our back end APIs development. So front end will be there, backend will be there, then you will become full stack developer. You can say that you are a full stack developer with Angular, Spring Boot microservices, tools, AWS cloud. Then for 3 years experience, you can demand 15 to 18 lakhs package. That is the demand available for full stack developers in the market. That is the demand available for full stack developers. 3 years people can get up to 18 lakhs package. 3 years people can get up to 18 lakhs package if you are a full stack developer. Got it? Earlier, long back, how much package you can get for the 4.5 lakhs, huh? I will show you one photo, man. How much package you can get for 4.5 lakhs, Mr. Gaurav? Yesterday, one of our Spring Boot microservices student got the job with 4.5 years experience, 23 lakhs package. For 4.5 years experience, they got the 23 lakhs package. One lady from my evening Spring Boot microservices batch, she got the package with 23 lakhs, 4.5 years experience. Okay, I'll show you that. Fine. So guys, with this, did you get the clarity on what is full stack development? Did you get the clarity on what is? Now let me show you that how much package that they got. Now how much package he got? He's 13 SBM student. 19.8 lakhs package he got. His name is Amit Gatage. Okay, he got 19.8 lakhs package, 3.5 years experience. And she is having 4.5 years experience, and the highest package she got a 23 lakhs package. This lady, Sahu, she got 23 lakhs package with 4.5 years experience. And one more lady, Rubina, she got 18 lakhs package with 3 years experience. 18 lakhs package with 3 years experience. These are from Spring Boot microservice students, evening batch people. Got it? Bhagat, you understood now? Good. So, can anyone tell me what is full stack development? Sanjala, can you tell me what is full stack development?
Yeah, hi sir.
Yeah, hello. Can you tell me what is full stack development?
Full stack development, it involves like when the developer is capable of developing the front end, that is the user interface UI,
Yeah.
and as well as the back end APIs.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the full stack. That is when you are called a full stack developer.
So what I'm trying to teach in this Java real-time project now?
So we are learning how to be a complete full stack developer. So we
Yeah.
are learning the front ends also, back end, and the most important is we are learning all the cloud computing, because
Yep.
now whenever I Google like about anything, it's like cloud computing is the future and the present. Like if you don't know cloud compute, if you know everything, but if you don't know cloud computing, you are nowhere. This is the picture that I get.
You got it. Yeah, fine. So I think the AWS classes that what we had for 10 days, they are really helpful.
They were both.
Yep, good. Guys, if you are not a full stack developer, going forward, you cannot survive in the IT. Earlier, long back, companies used to recruit the people for Java people for only back-end development, UI people for front-end development. Okay? 3 years back, 4 years back, company in the project, we used to have 2 teams. One team will work purely on the back end, one team will work purely on the front end. But things are changed. We are in the 2022. Why to recruit 2 people? Why to pay the salary for 2 people? Let's take one person who can teach, who can do both. Let's take one person who can do both. Yes or no? Earlier, 3 years back, 4 years back, companies used to recruit the people only for back-end development, one team, only for front-end development, one team. Company has to pay the salary for 2 teams to do the project. Instead of taking 2 people, let us take 1 person who can do both front-end development and back-end development, give 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs extra salary, no problem. If I take 2 people with 3 years, 10 lakhs or 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs salary I have to pay. If I take a full stack developer, I will pay 13 lakhs, 14 lakhs. He can do both. So that's why full stack developers are having more demand in the market. If you know front-end development and back-end development, you have too much demand in the market. Your resume is a hot cake in the market. Along with this front-end development,